Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a professional headshot with no prompting needed. I'm in NoteGPT's AI LinkedIn photo generator, and the full link is in the description. They have a free account that as of now I believe you can use 15 times a month and 2 times a day. And as you can see here, we have a place where we can put our image. Down here at the bottom, we see we have a number of different things that we can choose from. I'm going to be making a male headshot here, a male LinkedIn picture. So I'm clicking on that icon here, and now I'm going to upload my photo. I've uploaded my picture. I am looking at the options I have here. Some of these are quite glamorous: reliable executive, power look. Those are a little too fancy, I think, for most people on LinkedIn. I'm going to go with a traditionalist or male classic. I think I'm going to try traditionalist. Scrolling back up here, you can see that the entire prompt is shown right here. For each of these, it'll show you what the prompt is that it's using, and it's just using Nano Banana to create these images. So you can actually just cut and paste this and use it in Nano Banana, or actually at this point, ChatGPT makes some excellent photos as well and would get you an excellent LinkedIn headshot as well. So I'm going to click on male. I'm going to click on the traditionalist, and then I just click on LinkedIn photo, and it's going to create the image for me. Yeah, that looks excellent. Within NoteGPT, you can create about 15 things a month, and you're limited to creating 2 images daily.